it!
Did you kill it?
Yes.
This is Kaylee's first target, and that took approximately 20 seconds. Alright, let's see if you can do it again or if that was a fluke.
Alright.
Go on.
Make sure it's lined up.
Make sure it's lined up. Wait, Kaylee, wait.
There you go.
You were right on there and then you went off.
White pellets, more fun.
You're done.
I tried to kill. I killed the fuck.
You really got it. You're some kind of natural. That is crazy. You gotta not shoot quite so fast though. If you slowed down and aimed a little bit closer between each shot, you'd hit a lot more. But that is amazing.
I killed the target.
You sure did.